Welcome to Succulents for Beginners. And today, we will show you our top 4 natural pesticides where ingredients can be found at your home. Before we start, please test on small amounts to some of your selected plants before using this on all your plants. Though this works on most succulents and other plants, there are sensitive plants that cannot tolerate these natural pesticides, so please do your courtesy inspections. Let's begin. At number 1 on our list, vinegar. It is a contact-type insecticide, meaning for it to be effective, you need to spray it directly to the bug. Mix 1/2 tablespoon vinegar to a liter of water. It's good for repelling ants. Ants are dependent on the scent they leave to make a trail, and vinegar breaks that. It's also good for repelling mosquitoes, fruit flies, aphids, spiders, and more. Since it's a contact-type insecticide, its effects won't stay long on your plants. Be sure to use it moderately. Let's go to an even stronger pesticide. At number 2 on our list, 70% solution rubbing alcohol. Use 70% alcohol and spray directly to plants. This is also a contact-type pesticide since it's volatile. It's most effective on nymphs, baby scale status. To remove scales, you need to rub it with brush after spraying because scales have thick shells covering them. You need to tip them over to expose their weak spot, which is under their shells. I have a video about how I actually remove scales on my succulent. Just click the link above to watch it. To remove mealybugs, spray and then wipe with cloth. I use this mostly on nymphs and scales in my videos. If you think alcohol is strong, well, here's an even stronger pesticide. At number 3 in our list, hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide can get rid of insects, gnat larvae, cutworms, mildew, aphids, bacteria, and fungus outbreaks. It can also boost oxygen levels on your plants. Mix 15 ml of hydrogen peroxide to 1.5 liters of water. Spray directly to plants and soil. Repeat after a week or 2, depending on the condition of your plant. Be sure to use it moderately. I use this most of the time than other previous pesticides mentioned. Let's go to our strongest pesticide. And on top of our list, at number 4, baking soda, oil, and dishwashing soap. It can kill or repel scales, aphids, powdery mildew, ants, many types of insects, fungus, and more. Mix 1/2 teaspoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon dishwashing liquid soap, 1 tablespoon baking soda, a gallon of water. Spray directly to plants, it'll have lasting effect. The oil will help the mixture to stick to the plant. The liquid soap will enhance its effect. And the main ingredient, the baking soda, will do most of the work. I use this sometimes when there is an infestation. Don't forget to use this in moderation. Again, please try to test this in few plants and see if they can tolerate this strong solution before using this on all of your plants. Again, though this works in most succulents and other plants, there are sensitive plants that cannot tolerate these natural pesticides, so please do your courtesy inspections. Which one of these natural pesticides do you want to try? Or have you tried? Please let us know in the comments below how effective it is. Check out these other videos and be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Happy succulents gardening!